Vee Trades technical analysis course coming soon. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for CLOUDFLARE with the ticker symbol NET. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So this chart looks very simple and easy to analyze. You can see that we had a previous downtrend in play. This was the channel holding prices previously, and then back here in mid to late December, the price was showing signs of weakness. We could not meet the opposite side of the channel, which led to a breakout on the opposite side, and that doesn't lead to a reversal automatically. We normally get two legs down to a new low, and that's exactly what we got. This was the first leg down, and then we corrected up, and then we made the second leg down, and right at the tip of this arrow, you can see that's pretty much a perfect measure move. We got a bigger reversal than previously. So the buyers found resistance at this previous swing right here, and then we started to go sideways. So this range looks like it's currently holding prices now. We just had a triple test at the highs of the range. We're going to make this one green, and previously there was a little uptrend holding prices right here, but the uptrend is over. So now it looks like prices are continuing down with the prevailing trend, and we can see lower prices. So you can see that this was the first swing, this was the second swing, this was the third swing. So this was the third point of resistance. So it's a triple top, very bearish sign. We did have a little new high of this previous uptrend channel, so that pretty much completes that, and now we start selling off pretty harshly. So this has been 3 consecutive trading days that have been red and pretty aggressive. So as of right now, it looks like they're targeting the lower side of this range, because normally prices go from the highs to the lows and the lows to highs in the range. So you can see how flat the EMA is now. So this is a telltale sign we are inside of a range. So I'm targeting the $79 level. I think we can get there. There's a little gap here also that the price action has failed to fill, so they can target that too. So there's a few reasons why we should continue lower, not even including the market sentiment across all stocks and even the SPY or the NASDAQ or the Dow. So if we do continue much lower than what I'm predicting, which is the $79 or $80 level, we can get a measure move down. So this will be the first leg down, this will be the second leg down, and the target I have is right at the $48 level. So that's probably going to be another point that the prices are trying to reach. That's if we don't find any support at the $79 or $80 level. So that's pretty much everything I have for the daily chart. Very little bearish chart. It's actually holding up much better than a bunch of other stocks, but I don't think they're gonna hold up much longer. It looks like the sellers are starting to come in the market, and they're gonna be targeting these lower price targets that I have put on the chart. So at first, we're gonna look at the $79 level and see how the price reacts. If we don't find some support, we could easily drop down to that $48 level. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart for CLOUDFLARE, and you can see that previously prices were being supported by the 21 bar EMA. You can see that every time we came to the EMA, after every pullback, we found some type of support, we continued higher, and then we had a massive bubble form or blow off top. And if you're a technical analyst, this should scare you. Most amateurs or newbies, they think we're going to go to the moon when you see this, but a technical analyst or someone who can keep their emotions under control does not like this, because this is unsustainable. I've seen this 99 times out of 100. We normally come crashing back down. It's very rare that we're going to see prices just continue higher and higher and build a platform up high. Normally this just leads to a massive reversal back down. I'm coming out with the course, and when you perform technical analysis, you're going to be using more of a systematic way of looking at the market instead of a more emotional way. Usually common sense does not work in the markets. You think that this will be just continuing higher and higher. However, the technicals tell you that is not going to be sustainable, and we're going to see a lot of selling, and that's exactly what happened. A lot of selling came right after we had this bubble form. So we started selling off, and now we're finding resistance by the EMA. So it's pretty much the opposite of what we had before. So this is a bearish sign. I'm targeting the lows of this candle right here, right at the $77 level, $79 level. It looks like prices are also trying to come back to the bottom side of this range. You can see that right around the $65 level is a strong support, so maybe that will reverse prices, but we'll have to wait and see, because I do have a measure move target that is lower than that. So that's everything I have on the daily and weekly chart. I'm looking at lower price targets because the market is selling off. This stock and the price chart is telling me that we can continue lower. At first, I'm going to look at the $75 level, and then from there, I believe the measure move was right around that $45 level or $50 level. So somewhere there, I think prices will continue lower as of right now. So that's everything I have for CLOUDFLARE. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.